me because I love eating sandwiches. Well, then I would give them out to the kids who need sandwiches, and then eventually I would feed the world. I would just like to tell everyone who watches Live Lava Live, every Lavahead that I met at 789 and didn't meet at 789 who I get amazing emails from, I just want to say thank you for watching it. The only reason I'm making this interview right now is for the fact that you guys have made it so kind of colossal to everyone, so I just thank them, because without me, I'm just some weirdo who records everything I do. So, yeah, it's all them. I'm wrapping them all up in a big ball of thank yous.